What is going on YouTube? Hit back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe the S&P 500, as well as the current coin market cap and DueDEX. Specifically in today's video, we are going to be discussing yesterday's video as well as the ones prior to them. As you guys remember, we've been pretty much tracking XRP's movement for the past couple of days, as well as Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. You can see that we've been slowly consolidating longer and longer and longer until yesterday's video. I did discuss that it was happening now, and we may actually be, moving in the correct direction that we've been waiting for on the cryptocurrencies. So before I jump into the video, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, give a giant thumbs up as this does help out the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. Alright guys, so yesterday and in the past couple of videos, we've been discussing that there's pretty much about 2 days left before this moon within cryptocurrency, within XRP specifically, and Bitcoin. And yesterday we got a pretty awesome confirmation where the actual price of Bitcoin actually managed to close above this massive resistance. And this is a huge turning signal for the market. And how does this affect the altcoins and the other cryptocurrencies? That's what I'd like to get into in today's episode. Now, the past couple of days, as you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 11 days, pretty much almost 2 weeks now of just sideways consolidation, no volume, little movement, very little, price breakouts. There's really nothing happened in the past couple of weeks. And finally, after many days of consolidation, we've finally seen some sort of promising move that was happening on Bitcoin and the other altcoins. Specifically, Bitcoin actually managed to close yesterday's candle above resistance. This is huge, and this is something we've been discussing before. Not only that, we are showing signs of what could be a bullish cross on the MACD, ultimately telling us that we're probably going to be heading back up in price, which is awesome. Ultimately, seeing that after this consolidation, we're finally breaking bullish over bearish, it is now time to be buying in. So hopefully you guys took advantage of this. I bought in the second we saw the confirmation above this resistance here. So the second we closed yesterday's candle above this resistance, I did buy into Bitcoin. Obviously, I do have a Patreon where I do show you guys my trades that you're more than welcome to check out, as we do discuss all the trades that I make, as well as leverage trading, stop losses, shorts, buying longs, leveraging, everything like that. And I did make the trade on DueDEX, so it's very easy to use DueDEX, very simple to do so as well. I did make the trade. I do have other accounts that I use. This is the account that I use to show you guys. My private account is something I like to keep because I don't need everybody on. I don't need all 20,000 of you knowing exactly which account I trade on. But specifically in regards to the one I used, it was very easy. The second we saw confirmation above this resistance, I did buy in. And it was very simple and easy to do, as we've been literally following this coin for days now, discussing this sideways movement. 5 days ago, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 1 day ago, yesterday. We've been watching this coin for a very long time, and in every video I discussed that the second we see confirmation and an actual candle closes above this resistance, not a wick, but a candle closes above or below support, we will know for sure which direction we're going to be buying in on. So I did put a trade in. I bought it right around $10,700, maybe a little lower, $10,680, right around that area, and I am riding this candle up. Now, I don't think I'm going to be selling right this second because I do believe we are going to be heading up higher. I do believe the price is going to start to branch out slowly, move us into the $11,000, even potentially $12,000 range before we need to reverse our buy-in and reverse sell. Now, I do believe there is still time for those that want to invest into Bitcoin. The link for Patreon is in the description down below, and if you're new, I believe they offer up to $70 of free Bitcoin to trade around in. So definitely make sure to sign up for DueDEX in the description down below. But specifically, we are starting to see this movement. We finally got confirmation of a break above this resistance, so I do believe we are now going to slowly and steadily head back up to the upside, which is a great movement. You can see the beautiful correction off this dip right here, and I do believe we are going to reverse back up and retest this top resistance that we have on the coin. And now specifically to jump into XRP, as what you guys have been saying and talking about, that's the coin of interest that you guys have. So specifically, why do I talk about Bitcoin and then reference XRP? Because I do believe that Bitcoin, being the #1 traded cryptocurrency in the market, holding the most amount of volume, will obviously influence the coins under it. So I do believe that due to the fact that Bitcoin was trading fluctuating the way it was, XRP will most likely be affected. So when you look at that and you look at XRP, we can clearly see a few things. We can clearly tell that there is a resistance on here, but the fact that Bitcoin did decide to break above the resistance, it does give me good reason to believe that we are going to be heading up higher. So the fact that Bitcoin is finally breaking over here, it does foreshadow a few events that could happen with XRP and the other altcoins. The fact that we're finally seeing volume come into Bitcoin kind of does give us direction as to which way XRP will be moving. So I do believe as we start to approach some higher levels within Bitcoin, volume will trickle down into XRP, and we'll actually start to see XRP's candle close above resistance, and not only that, but actually head up higher. We're actually seeing a retestment right now where the price is actually heading a little bit higher than the resistance line that we have. There's a very good chance that we may actually start to reverse back upwards and head to a higher level on XRP than we've seen in the past. Ultimately, with the fact that we found some sort of consolidation, the fact that we're seeing this reversal candle forming right here on XRP does give me some benefit of the doubt that we're probably going to reverse back up and retest the moving average right here. I do believe that on XRP will probably head back up and retest that resistance at 30 cents. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a 5-cent jump in the next couple of weeks with XRP. So that's pretty much my take on that. That's why I believe we are probably going to continue to head up. We've bottomed out. We've hit support. Bitcoin is showing signs of reversal. It's showing signs that we're going to start to head up higher. And XRP is definitely one of those that is going to follow pursuit with that and head up higher as well. I also think a lot of the other altcoins are showing signs of that too, as we're starting to see potentially a bullish cross on the MACD on Litecoin as well. We'll probably see Litecoin start to swing back up higher, as well as some other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and so on and so forth. Otherwise, moving on, we are looking at the S&P 500. And I do believe we're in some very interesting water right now, as we are hitting a pretty high level on the on this space right now, on the stock market space. I do believe that we did hit quite a bit of resistance, and we did scale up extremely high. We had one of the biggest recoveries in history of the S&P 500. So I don't believe we're going to be staying here for that long. The fact that there is some sort of bearish divergence forming on here does give me reason to believe we're probably going to see some sort of reversal. But otherwise, I will jump into this soon. I guess we now have the what is it? The people that mow the lawns outside my new apartment, and it is making quite a bit of noise, so I will have to discuss this in tomorrow's episode. But otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, as this does help out the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.